Today I'll give an introduction to print functions and show you the output in Roblox Studio. First, I'm going to quickly describe what print is. A print statement is something you create in the script which gets sent into the output. In order to see the output, go to the top and click View. There's an icon titled Output. Click that and you'll be able to see the output at the bottom. Now that everything is set up, open up a script in either Workspace or Server Script Service. In the first line, type in print, then add parentheses and quotation marks. Now you can type your message. Make sure it's typed in the quotation marks. In order for it to be created and sent to the output, you'll have to start the game. To do that, either press the F5 key or the blue arrow at the top, near where the view button is. Only after playing will the message pop up in the output. You can see it show up down here. With typing in words, you have to include quotation marks, otherwise it won't work. You can also type in numbers in your message. When typing in numbers, you don't have to include quotation marks. If you choose not to include quotation marks, the print statement will be treated as a numerical value, which means you can do math equations with the numerical value like this, and it'll actually solve itself in the output. The print function is useful for debugging and testing code. You can log events with it, examine the contents of variables, tables, or functions. I'll explain print more in future videos, but for now, you know the basics of it.